Hey everyone, welcome in the video number 5 of this course, and we're gonna talk about authenticity. A thing people want on X is engagement on their tweets. And some of them are ready to do incredible things to get engagement, like this guy who literally copied my tweet word by word, plus he also copied the chart as well. But this is a really bad idea. I'm not saying that because I don't want you to copy my content, but because nobody wants to follow someone with just copy-pasting other people's tweets. And you can see the results. The guy made 10 times less impressions than me. This is probably because lots of people already saw my tweets and interacted with it, and then if they saw a few hours later the exact same tweet, they are not gonna engage a second time with it. As I said at the beginning of this course, your reach depends on the interactions you get. So that's why you want to create really authentic content on X. Plus, I think the team working on the algorithm on X were talking about creating a new rule that will penalize content that were copied from someone else. But this doesn't mean you cannot take inspiration from others, and actually that's what I did. I took inspiration from a tweet of a small account that went viral, and mine went viral as well. But the difference is I copied the structure of the tweet and not the words. And this is what you want to do. You want to copy the structure of the tweet that worked. But you will use your own words and your own writing style. This way you will end up being authentic, like it will sound like you, but you will also perform on X because this is the kind of tweet that attracts people. And don't worry, I'm gonna give you the structure of the tweets that work later in this course. But before, I want to emphasize on this. People don't follow informations, they follow personality. A thing I've noticed on X is that people that have lots of followers have a very strong personality. In the way that they communicate, they are really unique. Either they are super positive like Mark Liu or super straight to the point like Peter Levels. Both of them have something very unique that defines them and that they didn't steal from others' tweets. So try to think about the personality trait that you want to express on X. Something that sounds like you and that people cannot copy.